Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crusader Kings 3 for beginners. Start by selecting a character with a strong foundation, perhaps a duke or count in a stable region. Pay close attention to their traits, as these significantly impact gameplay. Your character's lifestyle, like diplomacy or stewardship, offers unique perks and skill boosts. Prioritize developing their primary skills through education and focused activities. This initial setup is crucial for building a powerful dynasty and navigating the complex world of Crusader Kings 3. Effective realm management is key to long-term success. Keep your vassals happy to avoid dangerous factions that can destabilize your rule. Invest in developing your counties and baronies. Upgrading buildings boosts your gold income and available levies, which are your armies. Appoint skilled counselors to manage tasks like diplomacy, stewardship, and martial affairs, ensuring your realm runs smoothly and efficiently. Diplomacy and warfare are intertwined. Arrange strategic marriages to forge powerful alliances, providing crucial support in conflicts. Always ensure you have a valid casus belli, or reason for war, before declaring hostilities to avoid tyranny. When engaging in combat, carefully manage your armies, paying attention to terrain and the skills of your commanders. A well-planned war can expand your territory and strengthen your dynasty's influence. Your dynasty is your legacy. Focus on educating your heirs to ensure they possess strong traits and skills, preparing them for leadership. Strategic marriages within your family can improve genetic traits over generations, creating a more formidable lineage. Don't shy away from using hooks and schemes to manipulate events, secure advantageous marriages, or even eliminate rivals. This long-term planning is essential for your dynasty's enduring power and prestige.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.